What's going on, guys? Hope everybody's having a fantastic day, because I know I am. First off, got this shirt in the mail. Don't know where I got it, but it is sick. It has like a bunch of Evos on it. Pretty sick shirt. I love it. Anyways, I'm dying. Today's video, I'm so excited. I've had this video planned for the longest time, but I'm really nervous about doing it. So I am going to be lowering my car. I've had coilovers for the longest time since I bought this car. I think first thing I did when I got this car, I went on and bought coilovers for it. And that was like 2 years ago. So right now this is stock height. It's just ugly. It's horrible. It's ugly. The rims are ugly. The ride height is ugly. Everything about the stance of this car right now is completely garbage. So, like I said, I bought coilovers when I first got the car. They are buried in here. Let me get that box down. I got them out of the box. I'm gonna go ahead and start doing it. It's not gonna be a really how-to video. Oh, whoa, look at that. It's not gonna be a real how-to video, this one. I'm just gonna put on a montage. Sorry, got an itch. I'm just gonna go ahead and put a montage on. If I run into any hiccups or anything, I'll videotape it. I already know the rears are going to be a pain, because getting to the coilovers in the back, you have to like take your whole trunk apart. But as for now, I'm just going to go ahead, put some music on, jam out, and hope you guys enjoy. So wish me luck. Alright, so that's the passenger side. What do you guys think? A little lower? A lot lower? Obviously, it'll probably look a lot lower once I do all four. But so far, I'm really happy with it. The coilovers are pretty straightforward. It's like 5 bolts. So, yeah, I'm super stoked. I'm loving it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just bust out the other side. There's not a whole lot of room. Plus, you just seen me do that one. I'll probably show you guys the back, me doing the back, because it is a little different. Anyways, I'm gonna keep rocking out, pound out the driver front side, and catch you guys in a bit. All right, so we're done with the front, both front, and it is looking so good. I don't think you can really tell the difference on camera, but so that's the front, and this is the rear. Yeah, it's probably really dark, but big difference. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start doing the back. So the back, I gotta take out pretty much everything here. So all the carpets, this plastic thing there, and that should be it. I'm not really sure. Alright, so my camera ended up dying, so didn't notice it, but anyways, I got the back done. Both sides, they're on the ground. The back is a lot higher than the front. It's not a lot higher, it's just, it's raised up a little bit. So I'm gonna end up probably dropping the back, because I like the front. I like how the front's sitting. I'm gonna go take it for a quick test drive real quick. Oh, my face is filthy. I'm gonna go take it for a quick spin around the block road, see how it rides. So right now I'm just gonna make sure all the wheels are torqued, and then I'm gonna go take it for a quick spin. And it's really late, so I should probably go to bed. I gotta wake up at 5 to go to work. So I'm just gonna take it for a quick spin, and that'll probably be it for the video, honestly. So yeah, anyways, thank you so much for watching.